James is working on a project where the stakeholders are not happy. His stakeholder engagement strategies are not helping either. In order to resolve the issues, he tries to find different options to respond to the stakeholders and win their trust back. Which tool is James using? So basically what James is trying to do, he's trying to use different options. He's trying to find that. In alternative analysis, you are actually trying to find different options. So A is actually a good answer option. B, he is not trying to find the root cause. They nowhere in the question they mentioned about the root cause. So B cannot be the choice. Similarly, C, stakeholder analysis. Stakeholder analysis is all about the power impact matrix, if the engagement matrix, unaware, resistant. That's not what they're talking about here also. So C cannot be the choice. D, feedback. They did not talk about the feedback. Instead, they just refer to that he's trying to find different options, which is basically your alternative analysis. So the correct answer should be A. Refer to PMBOK page number 533 for more information. Thank you.